back on, install the vertical grip and the flashlight and the scope and the rail covers. You know, I'll just install the rail covers first. I'm not quite sure how these work, but I just took out those little iron thingies. And these things are tight as hell. Yes. Now, why do I want to put these all the way to the back? There we go. There's probably a better way to do this, but I haven't really took the time to go on the internet and find out which way that just is. There we go. To mount this back onto the rifle, get your bolt mock plate. Hold that in place while you insert the barrel assembly. Just slides in. The silencer is on there just for actually silencing the shot, not to hide a extended inner barrel. Make sure you don't forget the bolt release and the pin up front. Should be cleaned up like that. There we go. Check if you can adjust the hopper by pulling back on the charging handle. That all works nice. So, get the scope on. These are the finishing touches. You can do actually anything you want here. Let's go through here. Like that. The vertical grip. Here. So that's looking nice. Left hander or right hander. Yeah. And I'll put the flashlight on the left side. No, let's put it on the right side. The right side. These flashlights are quite expensive to be just flashlights, but they're well worth the money, as they are quite the bright flashlight. They have, well, this particular model has 3 brightness settings plus a strobe setting, which is very good for indoors. So we have the low light, mids, and high. And with the high, if you just put it in a corner of a room, if you put the flashlight in a corner of a room upside down, so pointing upwards, it will just light up the entire room. It's awesome. And we'll need a 4mm for this light. Need to screw out the comme ça, comme ci, comme ci, comme ça. Come on, man. Something like this. Again, don't over tighten. I know you're on the rail, but that flashlight doesn't need to be able to carry 100 kilograms or something. So, right now we have a flashlight on. We might as well get a laser on the other side, but to top it off, we got an actual PMAG in there. Right, so quite the change, quite the gun. Like I might have mentioned before, the gearbox setup has not been changed. I just cut the spring down so now it shoots below 350 FPS. I know that is very soft and very low because most of you guys play like 400 FPS or more, but that's just the problem with Belgium's chrome limits. But hey, it's a great gun, it'll be very accurate, it's very comfortable to hold, and the way it is now, I could even mount my helmet cam to the stock and get its scope view, a scope cam, but I find that really awkward to work with in field, so I won't be doing that too much. But other than that, we should have some great footage. There's a scrum coming up, so I'm definitely going to use this one. Might be in this setup, might be slightly different.